What's up guys, it's Noah here from Nano's Tech, and today we have another video. Yes, Mpow M9 true wireless earbuds. I was looking for earbuds for a long time. These look like a good option. So they got 4 mics and you can use one headphone. You don't have to use 2. They claim it's got deep bass and it's waterproof. It's got all this twin and mono mode, Bluetooth 5.0, touch control, activate Siri, and then on the other side it has the same as the front. On the back it gives the charging time and a lot of the specs that I'm not going to run through. Anyways, let's just get into this. However this works. Okay, and bang. So okay, that's there. You get a booklet, the Mpow M9s. We can put that to the side. We get quick operation, so that's also another booklet. That's the box is empty now. Okay, we get the Mpow membership and you can claim your 2-year warranty, so we can put that to the side. Then we have the actual Mpows, so we can take out the case. Okay, this is fairly decent sized. Put that to the side. We can actually compare it to the Soundcore Beats. It's quite close to that. It's a bit longer, I would say. Yeah, but it's not as thick as the Soundcores. Then we get to the earbuds, and these are also pretty fairly sized. Then if we look underneath it, we can have the ear tips and the USB Type-C wire. So we put that to the side. Let's just see how these look. So this is the size of them. One just turned on. Let's put them in the case. So we open the case, open it, and you have to go one step. So open, but then you have to go one step forward and left, right. And this is the case. USB Type-C, no quick charge on these. Let's check the ear tips out. I'll probably have to use the small ones because my ears are quite small. And yes, I think the medium ones are attached at this point in time on them. So it has it has dots on the front to see the battery charge, and on the back it gives some weird specs that no one's really gonna care about. Let's see how easy it is to change these ear tips. Pulling that off. Okay. The big ones don't look quite much bigger than the mediums. Okay, that was fairly easy. Let's get that in focus. Right now they're giving this beep type of sound, probably because they're trying to connect. What I'm doing is changing the ear tips. That was on. Now they should fit in my ear. Okay, so this is a fairly decent sized package. I've got a few more things to compare it to. Obviously the all keys. This video may or may not be out yet. That's a lot smaller. The thickness is about the same, but they're a lot smaller. And then fake AirPods, but actually are the same size as AirPods 1st gen. So they're thicker and they're longer, but they're not wider. So it's a fairly decent size. The actual ear pieces are quite much bigger than the Yorkies. Okay, let's try and connect these now. Okay guys, let's try and connect these. So I'm just going to open it. I think I need to take them out. Let's just see. Okay, now they're out. Nothing has popped up. Mpow M9s. That was fairly quick, and they don't have a blue tab on the back, so you don't need to remove anything. And they're connected. There was fairly easy. Let's see if they automatically disconnect as well. Not connected. Okay, now let's see if I put them really properly. Now let's see if I open the case. I think you need to take them out to connect them. And now they're connected. So you do need to take them out to connect it. Not such a big problem. And you need to push them in. So they go in like that, and then you have to press on it like that to get it in. So now that they're connected, let's just move on into the further part of the video. So the Mpow M9s have 6 hours on the actual earbuds themselves and 40 hours on the charging case, as it is quite a big charging case. USB Type-C, IPX8, waterproof, running true wireless earphones, dual mode for work, so you can use only one of them and it will start playing your songs. It's got this matte black color, which is quite a deep black type of color. So according to it has 4 microphones and noise cancellation technology for the microphones, 2 on each one, 2 at the bottom and then 1 at the top, and the audio quality is supposed to be quite great. I'll try and test that. Okay, now let's see what we get in the manual. So this tells us how it turns on and off. So you have to hold on it 5 seconds. This is the one. So to turn up the volume, press and hold. To skip the song, double tap. To turn down the volume, press and hold on the left earbud and on the right earbud for the last set, and then double tap to go back on the left earbud, and play pause is tap once. Then these are the phone ones. This just gives how to turn them on and how to put them in your ear. So you have to put them in and then you have to twist them to get them in. So guys, thank you for watching. So I've got the Mpow M9s review coming out very soon, so make sure you hit the bell icon for that and subscribe, as it says here, and lots of great content coming out, so make sure to stay tuned. Hit that like button if you like this video, and thank you for watching. Stay safe and peace.